playing defensively there. There's the onside, picked up by Surya Kumar at mid-wicket. And that is no run. Do you give England any chance at 368?
He adjusted his feet really well, Jesse Lingard, because the ball was bouncing. He had to get it just in the right position to make contact. You're absolutely right. Jude Bellingham, who started really brightly, was fantastic in the build-up. But it's a decent goal from Lingard, who has the knack, doesn't he? Just pops up in these areas. He gets in good spots in the 18-yard box. And
to the final 26 for England after he was...
You'll have had this experience, by the way, hack your way through any game.
Wasn't able to score. Do you remember he had a bit of fun with the San Marino goalkeeper at the end of the match, as if to say, how did I not score past you? First chance here against Andorra, in the net.
drags one in the corner with his left foot.
So there we are, Jesse Lingard, his fifth goal for England, as England tried to build down the right. Gomez is able to come forward and eventually pick the ball up against Patrick Bamford. So Jesse Lingard making the breakthrough. 20 minutes
10 minutes of competitive football for Jesse Lingard before today's game, I think.
For Manchester United, yeah.